Hey foodies, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a pot of delicious and tasty chicken stew like this one you are seeing on your screen now. This chicken stew is about to take your stew game to the next level. Make sure you watch this video to the end to find out how I made this pot of delicious chicken stew. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and families to enjoy deliciousness. For this recipe, I'll be using live chicken, and I've already washed and cleaned up my chicken. So I'm just going to pour it into the pot, and I'll go ahead to add in my seasoning. I'm adding my ginger and garlic powder. I'll be adding some thyme, salt, and onion ball. This is totally optional. If you don't like onion, you can leave it out. And I'll be adding some chicken seasoning cube, curry, and I'll be stirring this together. I'll go ahead to cover the pot and I'll allow it to cook in its own juice. While this is boiling, we'll make our tomato mix, and I usually roast my tomatoes and peppers before blending it. And this is just a mixture of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, shombo, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, garlic and ginger. And I'm just going to roast and blend it. It is this smooth. And I will set this aside and we'll continue with our cooking. Coming back to the chicken, the water is already dried, so I'm going to be pouring water big enough to cook the chicken all the way through. I'll give it a quick stir, I'll cover the pot and allow it to continue cooking. In a different pot, we can start frying our stew. I've added my groundnut oil into my pan. I allowed it to heat up before adding the onion. And I'm just going to allow this onion for a few seconds for it to release its flavor. Once that is done, I'll be adding in my tomato paste. And I'm going to fry this on a low heat. This will make your stew not to be sour. And I fried this for up to 15 minutes. You can't believe that. See how it is looking now. So I've already tested it. It's no longer tasting sour. So I'll be pouring in the fresh tomato mix that we prepare, and I'm going to be stirring this all up. I'll be adding salt, seasoning powder, and some mixed spices, and I'll stir this up together. I added a little quantity of curry leaf and covered the pot. I didn't know that it didn't show. So I'm going to allow this to fry till the oil settles at the top. Back to our chicken. It has been boiling for some time now and it is ready. So I'm going to show you the stew base. The oil is already on top of the tomato base. So I'm going to be pouring in the chicken stock and the chicken. It's all a matter of choice. You can decide to fry your chicken before adding it to your stew, or you can add it directly as I'm doing. It's all a matter of choice of what you want. If you like your chicken very soft and succulent, you can just add it directly into the stew and allow it to absorb all the whole flavors from this stew. You can see the color we achieved, very bright red. No artificial color was added to achieve that. And I'm just going to finish this off by adding in the remaining curry leaves. And this curry leaves take your chicken stew to that level that you want. By now, your neighbors should know that something delicious is going on in your in your kitchen rather. So I'm just going to stir this up and just leave it for a few minutes on fire for all the whole flavors and aromas to come together. Try this out. You'll certainly notice difference in the taste and aroma. And don't forget to share these recipes with your friends and family. And leave me comments below. Bye.